The ASHATA Retro USB Typewriter mechanical keyboard brings vintage vibes and gaming power together. Feel every satisfying click with 83 mechanical keys and detachable punk-style keycaps designed for style and precision. Customizable RGB backlighting keeps your setup glowing, day or night. Compatible with Windows, Linux, and even iOS, this isn't just a keyboard, it's an experience. ASHATA Retro Typewriter Keyboard, where nostalgia meets next-gen performance. Follow and comment retro, send I'll DM.